Competition Event. EDUardo Competition Event is a powerful tool that enables presenters to organize dynamic business exercises for even large audiences. Let me summarize the key features of the event. First, the presenter introduces the mission and evaluation metrics, setting the stage for participants to make strategic and operational decisions for a startup enterprise with the goal of achieving the best results. Next, participants activate their seats with just one click by scanning a QR code on their phone. They can then follow on-screen instructions to make their business decisions over the course of 5 to 10 rounds. After each round, they receive feedback about their virtual business performance, allowing them to adjust their strategies. Finally, at the end of the exercise, the presenter showcases the leaderboard and announces the winners. The entire exercise typically lasts between 45 and 90 minutes, making it an efficient and engaging way for participants to gain practical experience in business decision-making.
EDUardo Competition Event provides a unique and engaging way for presenters to facilitate large-scale business exercises that challenge participants' strategic and operational decision-making skills. With its user-friendly interface and real-time feedback, the event allows participants to gain practical experience in a risk-free environment, while providing valuable insights for presenters into the participants' decision-making processes.
You can find more information at edusimulation.com.